A very good morning to all of you. Children, this is basically the initiative related to the summaries of your NCERT chapters. So, this is your electoral politics. According to my book, this is chapter number 4, but I hope you all have got the latest edition, and I think in that it is chapter number 3. So, the chapter is electoral politics. Okay? In your book Democratic Politics. Fine. So what all we need to study in this chapter, that should be clear first of all to you. सबसे पहले, what is the need of the elections? Why do we need elections? After that, we need to come on how the elections are democratic and what makes them democratic. Okay? After that, we'll come to the political competition. That is the political competition good? Okay, if not, how to make it good? And then after that, we need to study about India. That in India, why do we need elections? In India, how do we make elections democratic? And in India, how do we deal with the political competition? Is it a healthy one? Is it, not healthy? If not, then what are the, measures taken by the government for the same? So that is all about our chapter. Fine. I will be uploading small modules. So in the first one, I'll try to cover up till here. So the need of elections. Fine. What is the need of election? See, let me adjust the camera. Yeah. Okay. The need of election. Always remember, bachon, in a democracy, elections form the basis of democracy. Any democratic government, okay, and in fact any democracy is based on your elections. And election hote kya? In fact, your chapter starts with the case study of Haryana. It starts with the case study of Haryana, in which that Devi Lal and that, in fact, Chaudhary Devi Lal and his promises. His promises were there. Actually, people were not happy with the present government, and therefore, because of his promises, the people voted for him. But after he assumed power, he was not able to come to the power again. Let me put it like this. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Fine. So after he came to power, he was not able to get voted and come to the power again. So with this, the thing is, always remember, after case study, you should be able to jot down what is the crux of that case study. What have you understood from that case study? So what have you understood? The thing is, no party is permanent in a democracy. People want a change. And वो क्यों change करते हैं? Because the moment they feel that the present government is not, catering to the needs of the people, then that moment only, बस they just wait कि ये government change हो जाए, we will be changing this government. होता है ना? लोगों में, discussions होते हैं. So your chapter starts with this only. Then the main part of the chapter starts with why do we need elections? What is the need? अब बच्चों, when there is a small country, ठीक है, जहां पे people can sit together, people can discuss whatever they want. Okay, I'll slowly and gradually learn about these things. So where the people are, they are comfortable in discussing about their needs, they are comfortable in accepting the decisions taken by the main leader, जो भी उन्होंने appoint किया हो, वहां पे no need of elections. It's fine, है ना? कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. बट जहां डेमोक्रेसी है और एक बिग कंट्री है, when there is a large community and especially उस कंट्री में we have diversities. Now this diversities, they exist. And ये किस चीज में exist करती हैं? In the culture, in the language, in the way people think about the government functioning, in the priorities of the government. जब इस तरह की चीजें होती हैं, so then it is better that the majority लोग अपने लीडर को इलेक्ट करें, अपने रिप्रेजेंटेटिव को इलेक्ट करें. एक चीज और, इफ यू रिमेंबर फ्रॉम चैप्टर नंबर 1 हमने पढ़ा था दैट नॉट एवरीवन इज वेल अवेयर डिसीजन मेकिंग में, नॉट एवरीवन इज अवेयर अबाउट द डिसीजन टू बी टेकन, रिमेंबर? सो यही सारी चीजें हैं कि भाई इन अ डेमोक्रेसी नॉट एवरीवन इज सो परफेक्ट टू बी एबल टू टेक अप अ डिसीजन, सब इतने परफेक्ट नहीं होते. एंड इन अ बिग कंट्री डाइवर्सिटीज एग्जिस्ट करती हैं, यू नो, बेसिकली दिस डाइवर्सिटी, I would say, not diversities, in fact diversity exists in terms of culture in many aspects. So there may be chances of conflict. So it's better that the people, they elect their leader, their representative. Okay? Then it says कि why are elections necessary? So then you should compile. कैसे? Because you will be able to choose who will make laws for you. You will make your legislature. You know that, na? Legislature deals with the lawmaking. The second thing, you know that who will form the government. आप खुद से सोचते हो कि गवर्नमेंट कौन बनाएगा, गवर्नमेंट फॉर्मेशन you will choose, okay, election से. And the party whose policies will guide the government and lawmaking, that means you also choose the party, the winning party, which is going to guide the country, in terms of policy making. Okay, so that is all about why do we need elections. So what is the need of election? Elections are required because we need to have a legislature for the lawmaking, we need to have a government, we need to have a party which is going to rule the country. And if somebody asks you what is election, हम बोल तो बहुत कुछ रहे हैं. Election क्या होता है? It is a mechanism by which you change the present government. Simply, वो होता है election. Okay? Now the second part, what makes elections democratic? Elections हम democratic कैसे बनाते हैं, है ना? This is also important. What makes them democratic? How do we feel that these elections were democratic? This is very important. The first thing बेटा हमने पढ़ा था political equality. Political equality, ये तो basis है democratic elections का. If you are discriminating between people on the basis of say race, on the basis of caste, on the basis of money which they have, the wealth, जैसे फ्रांस में हुआ था, remember that, or on the basis of gender, that too happened there. So that means you are not ensuring the political equality to the people. And if you are not ensuring political equality to the people, that means आपके elections democratic नहीं है. तो सबसे पहले कैसे बनाएंगे? By ensuring political equality. Second thing, parties. भाई हम elect किससे करेंगे? So there should be parties to be selected from. Okay, so the parties and the candidates should be free. If you remember the example of China and Mexico, remember that? कि China में there was not any real choice provided to the people. याद आया? And Mexico में भी था, the PRI used to follow dirty tricks, है ना? So first thing हम political equality ensure करेंगे क्योंकि ये election है, everyone should take part. The second thing, हमें options provide करने होंगे. The freedom available to the political parties. Okay. What is that freedom? To contest elections. Okay. Elections में खड़े होना, so that they offer a real choice to the people. Unlike which happened in China and Mexico. Remember that? ठीक है, आगे बढ़ते हैं. The third point which should be kept in mind that elections should be held at regular interval. So that the people have a chance. अब मान लो election हो गया आज, इसके बाद we are waiting. We have the system of election but we are waiting. और election हो रहे हैं 20 years बाद. So उसका क्या फायदा? Right? So elections to be held at regular interval. ये बच्चों हमने काम किया था in class 12th. You will study about this decentralization. पंचायती राज में यही प्रॉब्लम थी कि इलेक्शंस ही नहीं हो रहे थे, इसीलिए हमें उसे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनली कंपलसरी करना पड़ा बाय द 73rd कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट एक्ट 1992. ओके, द नेक्स्ट थिंग इज द कैंडिडेट प्रिफर्ड बाय द पीपल शुड गेट इलेक्टेड. हमने जिस कैंडिडेट को प्रेफर किया है, दैट मीन्स मेजॉरिटी जिसको चाह रही है, सो दैट शुड गेट इलेक्टेड. ओके, द कैंडिडेट हु इज प्रेफर्ड should get elected, and the election should be conducted very very important. जैसे political equality is important, freedom to political parties and candidates so that they offer real choice is important. बच्चों बिल्कुल ऐसे ही very important is free and fair elections, जिसके बारे में हम बाद में अभी पढ़ेंगे about India. India में how do we ensure we have a very 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 smart body which is unbiased, and that is our election commission. Okay, fine. So this is all about how to make elections democratic. हम क्या करेंगे? हम political equality ensure करेंगे so that everyone is allowed to participate in voting. Okay, then we'll offer freedom to the political parties to stand and contest in the election so that the people have a real choice. Then we'll try to conduct elections at regular intervals. Then the candidate preferred by majority should be elected, and the very important, the free and fair elections. Now the next thing, political competition. बच्चों, what is political competition? सोचो जरा, what is political competition? होता क्या है ये political competition? Think about that. What is political competition? देखो, हम competitions में part लेते हैं ना, right? The house competitions, the different competitions. So similarly, political competition क्या होता है? Between political parties. Okay? So this is your political competition. Okay? So what happens? Elections are, you have studied about that democracy वाले chapter में, that lack of morality. Because people take, those measures. So political competition क्या आएगा? Political competition, the parties competing, parties taking different measures to win in the elections. होता है ना competition में, house competitions होते हैं. So you take different measures to just win in the elections and make your house mistress happy. Okay? So the competition takes through various form. है ना? The most obvious is the competition among political parties, जिसको हम generally political competition कह रहे हैं. So what happens, constituencies में अभी आगे आप पढ़ोगे, एक region को हम divide कर देते हैं. Okay? And in constituencies में ये parties अपने candidates को रखती हैं, जिसको हम कहते हैं nomination of the candidate, and they stand in the election. Okay? But the thing is बेटा, we have also studied that it has many demerits. क्या demerits हैं इस political competition के? This is a very important question. What are the demerits? सबसे पहला, factionalism. It creates a feeling of factionalism in every locality. What is this factionalism? That means लोग divide हो जाते हैं. The people start, associating themselves with any party, with any ideology. ये सबसे बड़ा drawback है. Class 10th में आप पढ़ोगे about this. So that is your factionalism. Disunity की feeling, है ना? Then different political parties and leaders often have, often level allegations against one another. So parties and candidates use the dirty tricks. कई बार आपने देखा है कि ये तो क्या, what is that basic, that pet dialogue, opposition की चाल है, remember that? So ये बिल्कुल वही होता है कि yes, sometimes dirty tricks are used. In fact, I should change this sometimes to very often. This happens, है ना? And the pressure to win the electoral fight does not allow the sensible long-term policies to be formulated. क्या होता है? We have then short-term policies जो गलत है. क्यों? क्योंकि गवर्नमेंट चेंज हो जाती है, एंड गवर्नमेंट क्या करती है? शॉर्ट टर्म पॉलिसीज रखती है, नॉट लॉन्ग टर्म. पॉलिसीज शुड बी लॉन्ग टर्म. यहाँ पे क्या होता है? एक पॉलिसी की गवर्नमेंट बदल गई, है ना? सो शॉर्ट टर्म पॉलिसीज आती हैं. In fact, very good people, because of these factors, very good people, they are, fearful in entering this area. जो good people हैं, who deserve, they actually do not try to enter in this area, saying that, no, this is, dirty politics. अगर आपने, if you have seen that Nayak movie, बहुत पुरानी movie है, but उसमें it is all about that. Okay, when Anil Kapoor is asked by Paresh Rawal that you should enter in politics, and he says, no, this is not, my cup of tea. And then he shows, how many people, the percentage of population loves him. है ना? So why? Because उनको यही लगता है गुड पीपल को कि भाई देर इज अनहेल्दी कॉम्पिटिशन, कोई रूल नहीं है, मैं ये सब नहीं कर सकता. सो दीज आर द डीमेरिट्स. अब बच्चों हम इसको क्या करें? सो पॉलिटिकल कॉम्पिटिशन इज हेल्दी ऑल्सो, बट वट जनरली हैपन्स, देर आर सो मेनी डीमेरिट्स. सो हाउ टू डील विद दीज डीमेरिट्स? हम क्या कर सकते हैं? हमारे कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन मेकर्स को पता था कि भाई हमारे बच्चे हैं शैतान, ये तो करेंगे ऐसा काम. ओ वाओ, ठीक है. सो व्हाट हैपेंड, दे हैव सेट सर्टेन क्लॉजेस इन आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन विच हैव क्लियरली लेड डाउन, लाइक दे हैव ट्राइड टू स्टैब्लिश द सिस्टम ऑफ प्रॉपर कॉम्पिटिशन. ओके, सो उन्होंने क्या किया? दे डिड मेनी थिंग्स एंड इट्स मेंशन इन द बुक ऑल्सो. सो वी हैव different laws governing the the behavior of political parties. अलग अलग उनका है, ठीक है. And they are as we know that the leaders are motivated by their desire to advance, so they want to remain in power. वो ये चाहेंगे, and our leaders were aware. So what they did, they took certain measures. उन्होंने क्या किया? उन्होंने कहा कि भाई रेगुलर इंटरवल पे इलेक्शंस होंगे, ठीक है, सो दैट नोबडी इज कंसिस्टेंटली देयर इन पावर, ठीक है. देन उन्होंने एक इंडिपेंडेंट बॉडी बना दी विच इज आर इलेक्शन कमीशन ऑफ इंडिया. ओ आई एम सो सॉरी, दिस इज दैट वेंडर. ओके, एंड देन इन्होंने बाकी भी इश्यूज रेज किए दैट द डिस्प्यूट्स रिलेटेड टू इलेक्शन विल बी डेल्ट बाय. सो बहुत सारी चीजें क्लियरली बता दी कि भाई. एंड बच्चों आई मस्ट टेल यू, ये जो ECI है ना, एक ये एंड एक RPA, रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ पीपल्स एक्ट. ओह, ही इज शाउटिंग सो बैडली, प्लीज अपॉलॉजीज फॉर दैट. सो व्हाट हैपेंस, इन्होंने ये सारी चीजें की कि भाई द पीपल शुड बी सेटिस्फाइड. इफ द पीपल आर नॉट सेटिस्फाइड तो फिर गवर्नमेंट चेंज हो सकती है. आपने पढ़ा होगा प्रेसिडेंट रूल एंड ऑल दैट. Okay, so if the political party is motivated only by desire to be in power, okay, then it will be forced to serve the people. If you do not serve the people, then the next time people are not ready to serve you. This is what is all about democracy. ठीक है? So what we have studied, हमने पढ़ा. First thing, what is the need of election? Quickly compile, children. What is the need of election? What is basically election all about? Then हमने देखा इलेक्शन की क्या जरूरत है. Then elections democratic कैसे बनाए? Okay, it is all about that. And then the political competition. So I request you to just read it from the book and just try to write answers. Okay, like what is the need of election and all that. Come back for more updates. Thank you so much. Take care.